Okay, so this is the iPhone S8 Plus Gold 64 gig. Very similar packaging to the last phone. Like a gold, beige, like a pink, almost rose. And you got the phone. Very similar. And you've got